สวัสดีค่ะขอพาทุกคนไปที่เมืองโตรอนโตค่ะเชิญพบกับสถาบัน Sheridan College ค่ะ Hello welcome to Thailand
Sawadika from Sheridan College.
Thank you so much Can you please introduce Sheridan College to our audience please
Hi everyone. Sheridan College is a public college that located in the Greater Toronto area in the Ontario province of Canada. So we proudly one of the top public colleges in the area, and let along the long history of the school, founded from 1967. Yeah.
Wow
So for now, the college has reached to around 40,000 students on campus.
Wow
Yeah, including those studying on campus and also those who are studying from from distant. Yeah, including domestic and also international students.
How many campus that you have please
Sheridan, we currently have three campuses located in three different cities in the Greater Toronto areas. So the cities are Mississauga, Brampton, and Oakville.
Can you please let us know popular programs at Sheridan College please
So at Sheridan, usually it's not difficult for the student to look for our name when they search for programs related to. First one will be animation. The second one is designing programs. So we usually be referred as the Harvard of animation in Canada, and also according to Animation Career Review, we also the number one in Canada for this program. But other than that, we also recommend the student to explore other programs related to art design, for example, game design, film and television, experiential design, for example. And also, we also have many choice for students in computer science, health science, business. Yeah.
And what's the average class size please
It depends on program, to be honest. For example, for animation, every year we only accept around 29, 30 students going to this program for a cohort for a year. For some other program, it could be up to like 40, but we're trying to limit the number of students coming to each of the class to maximize the quality of the program. Yeah.
And do you have new programs that you gonna launch like this year?
So in terms of like new programs, through the time we also have like many new options for students. For example, experiential design. This is the first of its kind program in Ontario, or I don't want
In
to say like
Canada.
in Canada, offering to students. And this year we also launched the new 2-year postgraduate program that will help a student to earn up to 3 years of work permit upon the graduation. So the 2-year postgraduate program will include the 3 semester for courses and the final semester going to co-op, field placement, or work stimulation. Yeah, and the tuition fee is really affordable, just around like 17,000 to 20,000 per year. So if they can go to the co-op in the final semester, it can also save like 40 to 50% of their tuition fee in the second year. Aside, we also have like the new diploma program in nutrition and food service management. So for those who want to work in like food industry, yeah.
Very interesting. Do you have scholarships for international students?
So Sheridan is also one of the pioneer in giving like entrance scholarship for international student. It has been launched since I guess like 2020 during the COVID pandemic. But especially this year, we're offering up to 5,000 Canadian dollars for the entrance scholarship. So technically, the value of the scholarship will depend on the program the student applying to. But technically, it will be not too difficult for the student to achieve this. Like this kind of scholarship. And the scholarship will be specifically applicable for summer 25, fall 25, winter 26. Yeah. So I mean, like it's now the really good time for the student to apply because they will be able to secure a seat in the program and also to obtain a scholarship.
And for the audience that are listening, they might be considering the big city like Toronto or comparing to a smaller city like Oakville. Can you please let us know the advantages of living and studying in a smaller city like Oakville, please?
Yeah, this one is will be really unique in terms of location. So let's say each of the cities where our campus located in, they will have like different unique point. So let's say Oakville could be the furthest one in the Greater Toronto area compared to the distance from Oakville to Toronto, for example. But usually, in terms of travel, it will take around an hour or so for the student to travel by car to Toronto City, or less to the Toronto Pearson Airport. However, in terms of the living standard, Oakville is among the, I mean, like I can say the richest city in Ontario, in the Greater Toronto
The
area.
house is so big in
Yes,
Oakville.
yeah, and the
Oh.
nature and the landscape of the city is really peaceful. I can say like it's a artistic city. I mean, like we also offer our art and design program in that campus in that city, and the city itself is really artistic. So
Artistic.
it's really related and connected together. So and also like in some data and so in some website they say like people in this city they have like quite higher level of education compared to people coming from other cities. The living standard and the crime rate in this city is really low. Yeah, so Oakville could be like a settled city for
Can
everyone.
we say that Oakville is a medium-sized city that
Yes,
offer
yes,
very high quality of life?
yes, correct. People in Oakville they usually prefer to be called like a town rather than a
A
city.
town.
Yeah, yeah. So if student they want a peaceful life to enjoy something like low, a little bit slow or low key, they can go to Oakville. Yeah, it's really harmony. And if someone they prefer the city with like more vibrant vibe, they can go to Brampton or Mississauga. Yeah.
And for students that would like to apply to Sheridan College, what do they have to do, please?
Usually for Sheridan College, we around like 80 to 90% of our programs allow the student to have conditional offer. Let's say they can submit the IELTS later, they can submit their final transcript or the high school diploma later. So yeah, if they only in progress, I mean like in grade 12 or in their final year of university, they can apply, and they will have a deadline to provide IELTS later. Yeah, so it's really generous for the student to prepare their application and also to work on other things like finishing their high school or preparing the financial plan for their study.
See you in Toronto. See you in Oakville. See you at Sheridan College. Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much. ขอบคุณค่ะ